Hey everyone, today we are going to learn these beautiful bells made out of plastic soda bottles, and these are the bottles which I have cut into bell shapes. And after that I painted with gesso and did some decoupage on it. How I did the decoupage, my decoupage tutorial is separate and the link is in the description box. So on the bottle caps I made some hole with the help of a knife. I just first heated the knife and then inserted inside the bottles. Now two I've already done with decoupage, and the third one I will be doing with you. On the sides I have used molded clay, and this is the transfer me sheet. I got it from Crafters Corner, and I will leave the description website description link. Okay, and I have taken this beautiful clock from the sheet, and first I have to peel off the plastic from the paper, and then I will be dipping it in the water. In the water you have to leave it for just few seconds, say 30 seconds, and you will see yourself the paper will start rolling. Now after that carefully I have to remove the paper and then place it on the area where you have to do the transferring. So I'm just placing it on the bottle, and softly I will be dabbing it with my fingers. If you want, you can dab it with the cloth also, but don't rub it, otherwise it will slide off. So this is how you have to do it. And on the bottle I have already painted with white acrylic here. I did not use gesso here. So it already has a natural shine on it. See, now I've removed the paper and the sheet is already there. Now this design, take a dry brush and just remove all the bubbles you see, but be very careful and be very soft with the strokes, because otherwise you will, as the design is still wet, you will be destroying the whole image and it will peel off. Be very gentle, and slowly remove all the bubbles. You can remove the bubbles after some time also, when it sticks to the to the base. So this is how I'm removing it, and dab a little on the area where you feel the lot of bubbles are there. And I just enjoy doing this transfer me image work. It is much better than decoupage is really very delicate kind of a work. You spoil the tissue and all that. So this is very interesting, and no too many it does not require too many things to do. Just dip it in water and place it. So now I'm doing it all over the bottle cap, and after this I will be doing some molded clay work on it. From the side borders you can see, and even the top ones to seal it. I have some silicone molds on which I generally use my molded clay, and I take the designs from there. So now after that I have inserted some glass beads, and then tied it with the string, that is paper strings I had. And then to give it a different look, this time I have taken silver color. This is acrylic silver powder mixed with media, and then I have applied it. On the top I have taken white glass beads for all three to give it a symmetrical look. And this is how the extra thread I will be cutting off, and this is how it gives a nice look. And I have also stuck some beautiful lace to cover that portion from where the bottle was visible. So this is completed now. Just hang it in your entrance or your window, anywhere, to give it a beautiful look for your Diwali. It's not necessary every time you have to make something with lights or something with diyas. So this is what we have done, and wait for my next video in which I will be showing how to make your own diyas from a clay and some beautiful floating candles also. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon. Bye bye. Take care and happy Diwali.